Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Operating Systems BTU Model Question Paper 2024 solution. We are going to discuss a problem under page replacement algorithm. Consider the page reference string. This is the given string for a memory with 3 frames. Determine the number of page faults using FIFO, optimal and LRU replacement algorithms. Which algorithm is efficient? And this is an 8-mark question. Now in this session, we are going to discuss optimal page replacement algorithm. Already we have discussed what is the concept of demand paging and why we are using page replacement algorithm, and what is FIFO page replacement algorithm and what is LRU page replacement algorithm. I will provide the links in the description for your reference. Now in this session, we will discuss about optimal page replacement algorithm. So what do you mean by optimal page replacement algorithm? In the sense, the victim page you need to select to replace is nothing but replace the page which is not used for the longest period. That is, here you need to reference the future string, and based on the future string only you need to select the victim page. Okay, so here they have given the page reference string, and the page reference string is 107 102 123 03 2403 621. So this is the page reference string, and here they have given 3 frames: frame number 1, frame number 2 and frame number 3. So here you need to know two concepts. What do you mean by page fault and what do you mean by page hit? If the reference page, if it is available among these 3 frames, that is, if the reference string is available in main memory, in the sense, that will be considered as a page hit. If the reference string is not available in main memory among these 3 frames, in the sense, it will be considered as a page fault. Okay, so first reference string is 1. Obviously, it will not be available among these 3 frames. So swap into the main memory. So this will be considered as a page fault. Next reference string is 0. This is also not available in main memory. So swap into the main memory. So first frame will consist of page 1. Frame number 2. Now swap in page 0 into main memory. And this also will be considered as page fault. Next reference string is 7. That is also not available. So swap into main memory. From secondary memory, you need to swap into the main memory. Now all the 3 frames contains the pages. Okay. Next reference string is 1. This is available in main memory in first frame. So this will be considered as a page hit. So 107. Next reference string is 0. Page 0. That is also available. So this also will be considered as a page hit. So whenever, if you are referring any page, if it is available among these 3 frames in the sense, that will be considered as page hit. If it is not available, that will be considered as page fault. Okay. Next reference string is 2. This is not available. So among these 3 frames, which one you will select to replace? So one of the page from among these 3 frames, you need to select as a victim page, and that should be swapped out from main memory to secondary memory. And the required page, page 2, you need to swap into the main memory. Among these 3 frames, any one of the frame you can replace. Okay. So in optimal page replacement algorithm, you need to consider the near future. In the near future, if you are using any pages in the sense, that you should not be select as a victim page, because in the future if you are using, okay, you should not select that page as a victim page to replace. Okay. And if it is not used for the longest period, in the near future, if it is not used for the longest period, that page you select as a victim page to replace. That is the concept of optimal page replacement algorithm. So you need to swap in page 2. So near future, 1 is available, so don't select 1. 2 is available and 3 is available. Frame in these 3 frames, 3 is not available. 0 is available. So first 1 you should not replace. Next 0 you should not replace. So what is the next victim? Page number 7. Select 7 as a victim page and swap out 7 from main memory to the secondary memory and swap in page 2 into main memory. This will be considered as a page fault because the reference page is not available in main memory. Okay. Next. 1 it is available, this will be considered as page hit. So no need to swap in or swap out. That process is not required. Next reference is page 2, that is also available. It will be considered as a page hit. So 102. Next page number 3, that is not available here. So you need to check the near future. 0 you should not replace. Okay. 3 it is not available here. 2 you should not replace. Then obviously which is the next victim page? Obviously 1. 0 and 2 if it is not, the last consideration is 1 only. So select 1 as a victim page to replace. So 1 will be replaced with page 3. So 302. So here page fault happens. The reference page 3 is not available, so page fault happens. Next 0 it is available. This will be considered as page hit. So 302 you will get it. Next 3 it is available in main memory. So this also will be considered as page hit. Next 2 it is available. This also considered as page hit. If the reference page is available in main memory, that will be considered as page hit. Okay. 4 is not available. So you need to check the near future. Okay. 0 you should not replace. 3 you should not replace. So obviously replace with 2. So replace 2 with 4. And this is a page fault. Okay. Next 0 it is available. So this will be considered as a page hit. The reference page is available in main memory. 3 it is available. So this also will be considered as page hit. Next reference string is page 6. It is not available. So this will be considered as a page fault. Okay. So select any one to replace. In the near future, if you are checking 2 and 1. So 2 and 1 it is not available here. So anyone you can select as a victim page. So obviously I am selecting 3 as the victim page. Replace with 6. 0, 4. Okay. Next reference is 2. 2 is not available. Select any one. Okay. As a victim page. Because here, if you want to refer the future string in the sense, the required number is not available. So in that case, you can select any one. Or you can follow even FIFO replacement algorithm also in this case. Okay. So now 6 to 1. Next you can replace with 4 also. For 1 you can replace with 4. And these two it is a page fault only. Okay. So here in this case, in this step, the near future, the required number of string is not available in the sense you can follow any method. Or you can follow FIFO replacement algorithm. Okay. So here the number of page fault is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of page fault is 9. Similarly, page hit if you are considering, it is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also 9. And page fault ratio if you are considering, it is number of page fault divided by number of reference string into 100. So number of page fault here is 9 and the number of reference string given in the problem is 18. Total number of reference string is 18. So you will get it as 50%. The page fault ratio is 50%. Similarly, page hit ratio if you are considering in the sense, it is number of page hit divided by number of reference string into 100. So here number of page hit is 9, number of reference string given in the problem is 18 into 100. So you will get it as this also 50%. So here number of page fault ratio is also 50%, number of page hit ratio is also 50%. So comparatively, for this given problem, we have implemented 3 algorithms: FIFO page replacement algorithm, LRU page replacement algorithm, and optimal page replacement algorithm. So among these 3 algorithms, page hit ratio is high in optimal page replacement algorithm. So this is the best replacement algorithm we can able to implement. So efficient algorithm is optimal page replacement algorithm for this given reference string. Thank you for watching this video.